The number one question I get asked is, do I need to get certified to win a government contract? And the answer is no. Most people believe that companies with certifications like women-owned or veteran-owned have an advantage in winning government contracts. But for most contracts, that's simply not true. That's because most government contracts are open to any small business. And when the government evaluates the proposals it receives, it doesn't give extra credit if the company is woman-owned or veteran-owned or minority-owned. And that's why for most government contracts, having a certification doesn't provide an advantage. Okay, let me show you exactly how this works. I'm on the sam.gov website, and I found this current solicitation for custodial services in Horsham, Pennsylvania. Let's say you want to bid on this contract. The first thing to look for is what is the set-aside status, and you find that information right here where it says set aside. In this case, it says this contract is a total small business set aside. What that means is that any small business can bid on it. And importantly, you don't need to apply for any certification to bid on a total small business set aside. The only thing you need to do is register your small business at this government website, sam.gov, and then you can submit a bid for the contract. And your bid will be evaluated on a level playing field with companies that have certifications. They're not going to get extra points for having 8A or woman-owned or veteran-owned certifications. Certifications are great for providing access to specific contracts that are restricted to companies that have those certifications. But most contracts are open to any small business, and for those contracts, having a certification doesn't help you win the contract. So for those of you who have been putting off bidding on government contracts because you thought you were at a competitive disadvantage because you didn't have certifications, go ahead and start bidding. Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. If there's something you're unclear about, post in the comments below so I can help. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to win government contracts. Thanks for watching. See you next time.